Dear students, let's revise the differences in Kerala and Abu Dhabi. First of all, we will read about fruit. The fruit of coconut, banana, jackfruit, etc. are here. But in Abu Dhabi, only dates can be grown. Whether there are a lot of trees, cool water and greenery all around the Kerala. All around in Kerala. But in Abu Dhabi, there is a big city, but this is surrounded by the desert and sand of different colors here. Sand is present only at seashore, but here in Abu Dhabi, sand dunes are everywhere. About rain, Kerala has many lake waters, ponds, rivers as receives rainfall every year, but here no rain, no river, no lake, no pond. Water is costly. Oil is costly here. Here in our India, oil is costly, but in Abu Dhabi, the water is costly. There is rich oil reserves under the ground. Under the ground. Oil is cheaper than water here. In Kerala, the currency is not in Kerala. In the whole our country, the currency is Indian rupee. In Abu Dhabi, the currency is dirham. The language of Kerala is Malayalam. The language of Abu Dhabi is Arabic. Weather is hot in day, but cool breeze in the evening in the Kerala. And their traditional cloth is like this in Kerala. Weather is much hotter. People stay in AC rooms and wear loose cotton clothes like this. As the weather is very hot, people wear loosened cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Over the head is covered. This protect them from the strong sun. Because there is so much heat, the people of there cover their full body from the cloth. They wear the loosened cotton cloth. Malu enjoyed looking at the picture and finding out about the other countries from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things that they described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. Discuss and write. You can also make a small report comparing Abu Dhabi with the people, with the place where you live. You can use some of these points mentioned below while writing the report. You can also draw picture or put photograph. The points are the climate and weather, what people wear, the tree and plants, the kind of buildings, the traffic on the road, kinds of vehicles, the common food, the languages. Why do you think many trees cannot grow in desert area? The answer is dry climate and very little water are not good for the growth of tree. Do you have any relative who live in another country? So that you can answer your own. So dear student, this is the explanation of the chapter number 24. I hope you like that and you understand that. I will give you question answer and I will give you another video of question answer too. So keep writing, keep watching carefully and write in your notebook. Have a nice day.